Hello everyone. So I'm here to show you today how to install and activate AliExpress reviews for our app, Amazon Dropshipper. So I want to show you first this. Uh, if you already saw the previous product on how to add the reviews to your product, you are already aware that if you see this in here, it's because I have added some reviews to this Amazon product. Okay, so I just want to show you that I added these reviews to this product. Okay, but I haven't installed the code into my store for the reviews. So if you see the product here that I just um, I installed where I imported the reviews to, the reviews are not showing. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to make the reviews show. So first step is you have to go to the app settings section. Okay, app settings, go to AliExpress review, install code. Okay, so basically if you read it here, this will give you the steps to follow. So the first step is to activate the reviews, okay, which is going here where you say this text. This might change in the future, this here, depending on what's easier for users. Um, but you have to select activate. Okay, the default value is select, so you have to change it to activate. Click save. Okay, that's one first step. The other step is install the code. Okay, if you follow these steps, this will tell you how to do it, but I'm gonna do it quickly with you in this video. You just copy this text that is over here, right? Go out of here, you go to your online store section of Shopify, click here in actions, edit code. Once you are here, look for the here under templates, you will see the file name product.liquid. It could be under template, or if you have a different theme on your Shopify store, it could be under sections, under the sections section. So it depends on the theme you have installed on your store, right? But typically is under the templates or under the sections. Okay, so you go for this file product.liquid. Here we have it open. You just go to the bottom of it, and if you follow our instructions, it just says you paste the code in here, right? And press I can move here, and you just press save. Okay. Okay, so we have saved the file. Now if we go to our product in here, the reviews should show. Okay, now you see the reviews are showing up. The width or the height of this box can be changed from here if you go to our app, and let's make it a little bit bigger. It depends on the number of reviews you want to add, right? Let's see, I want just to show you this. Okay, because you have this inner scroll to show the reviews, but if you want to make this bigger, you can go to the app section. Okay, AliExpress reviews. Here you can make it bigger. For example, you can make it to 150, or let's make it 400, for example. So what you will have here is, if we reload, so you see now you have like a bigger space to show the reviews. Okay, so I'm gonna show you as well now in this video how to install the code for the associates, Amazon Associates program. If you see here, I haven't. Sorry. So if you see here, I have not installed any code, any ID for any Amazon Associates marketplace. So if similarly to the AliExpress reviews, you have to follow the instructions in here. What it tells you basically is the same. You have to copy this code, right? You have to go to online store, follow the same process, okay? Exactly the same process. You will paste this code in the same place that I have shown you previously. So actions, edit code. Sorry, I just closed it. Product the liquid. Go to the bottom. Here is the reviews, AliExpress reviews we just added. Below it, it doesn't matter where you put this code. So you put it in here, save. And that's it. With this is all you need to install the Amazon Associates code to your store. Here you can then add, for example, if you whatever the country you add your associates ID. Let's say the ID is 12345 dash ID. It depends. This is given to you by Amazon, guys. Okay. So for associates ID, this is all you need: country and affiliate associate ID. You just verify and save. If you go down here, you will see that this was added to your store. The access key and secret key is not needed for Amazon Associates. This is all you need. So now you're ready to use Amazon Associates for, in this case, for Australia. So thank you guys. Let me know any question you may have for this video. Okay, bye.